Good morning, students. Now, all of you see page number 4. I am reading new topic. What development promises? Different people, different goals. Students, in this paragraph, we will learn different people. Now, they have different goals. It means, according to them, the meaning of development is different. Person to person, the meaning of development is different. Let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different persons listed in table 1.1. Now here you can see the table 1.1. Now here you can see the category of person: landless rural laborers. What they think about the development: prosperous farmers from Punjab, farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops, a rural woman from a land owning family, urban unemployed youth, a boy from a rich urban family, a girl from a rich urban family, an Adivasi from Narmada Valley. Now these are the persons, and their, we can say, the what they think about the development, their desires, their developmental goals and aspirations. What are their aspirations? What are their aspirations means what are their desires? What they think about the development, meaning of development. You will find that some columns are partially filled. Now here some columns are blank, some are filled and some are not filled. So you have to fill yourself. Try to complete the table. You can also add any other category of persons. Now listen this one. Having filled table 1.1, let us now examine it. Now first of all you see this one once again. Now landless rural laborers, what they think. So they want to develop, but how? They want more days of work and better wages. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village. So these are their aspirations. Now second one, prosperous farmers from Punjab. Now what they think? Assured a high family income through the higher support price for their crops and through hard working and cheap laborers. They should be able to settle their children abroad. Now they want to earn more and more money by selling their production, and they want cheap laborers by giving low wages, and they want to send their children in abroad, foreign country, for education. So laborers aspiration and prosperous farmers aspiration means meaning of development totally different. Now remaining whatever you read and you feel yourself, I am reading only this one. A girl from a rich urban family, the meaning of development according to her. She gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. It means she wants much freedom, means equal to her brother in her family. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. Now she wants to continue her study, and she wants to go in abroad also for study. Now students, you have understood properly, I think. Do all of these persons have the same notions of development or progress? Notion means idea, thinking. Most likely not. Different people, different goals. Each one of them seeks, here seeks means wants, different things. Now, see this paragraph. They seek things that are most important for them. So they give the importance to which thing? The things which are most important, essential for themselves, that which can fulfill their aspirations or desires. In fact, at times, two persons or groups of persons may seek things. Now listen here, this one, which are conflicting. Means two persons, there are two persons. So whatever their we can say the aspirations, desires may be different or opposite. Which are conflicting means we can say the opposites. A girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares in the household work. Means one person, a girl, what she wants? Much freedom and opportunity as her brother. Her brother may not like this, means opposite. The one person meaning of development totally opposite to other. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialist may want more dams. So to get more and more electricity power, industrialists, they want to build more and more dams, but this may submerge, here underline, submerge will put into water, means we can say the put the land into the water like this, and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced. So they want more and more to construct dams, but the people who are we can say the tribals people especially, so they will be disturbed because of the construction of dam. They might resent here means oppose, they can oppose, and may prefer small check dams or tanks to irrigate their land. So they will we can say the prefer to the for building the small dams, tanks, check dams and tanks to provide the water to their fields, to provide water to their fields and to their land. So different people, different idea about the development. We are understanding this one. Now listen this one here, this paragraph. So two things are quite clear. Now we can understand by reading this paragraph. Two things. One, different persons can have different development goals. Now keep in your mind this one. And second one, two, what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the others. Are you understanding? Yes. Now read the once again paragraph and solve answer homework questions.